With so many cameras out there, finding the perfect one for vlogging can be a challenge. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, having the right camera can take your content to the next level. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2025, featuring stunning video quality, top-tier stabilization, and must-have features for creators. Stick around because one model will blow your mind. You can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Sony ZV-1M2. The Sony ZV-1M2 is a compact vlogging camera designed for content creators who demand high-quality video and ease of use. It features a 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor, delivering stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second and full HD at 120 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion footage. The camera boasts a versatile 18 to 50mm equivalent zoom lens, perfect for capturing wide-angle shots or close-ups. Its advanced autofocus system with real-time eye AF ensures sharp focus on subjects, even in fast-moving scenarios. The ZV-1M2 also includes a fully articulating touchscreen, making it easy to frame shots from any angle. For audio, it has a built-in directional 3-capsule mic and a mic jack for external microphones, ensuring crystal-clear sound. The camera's background defocus mode and product showcase setting are ideal for vloggers and reviewers. It supports live streaming via USB, making it a great choice for YouTubers and streamers. The compact design, combined with features like built-in ND filters and a grip for extended shooting, makes it a powerhouse for on-the-go creators. Whether you're filming travel vlogs, product reviews, or casual videos, the Sony ZV-1M2 is a reliable and versatile tool. The price is approximately $899. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a revolutionary handheld gimbal camera that combines portability with professional-grade video quality. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second for slow-motion effects. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures buttery smooth footage, even when walking or running. The Pocket 3 includes a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen, making it easy to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting modes, ideal for social media content. It supports D-Log-M color grading, offering greater flexibility in post-production. The camera also has ActiveTrack 5.0, which keeps subjects in focus even when they're moving. For audio, it has dual microphones with wind noise reduction and a 3.5mm mic jack for external mics. The Pocket 3's battery life lasts up to 166 minutes, and it supports fast charging. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel vlogging, event coverage, or everyday use. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is priced at around $669. Number 3. Sigma BF. The Sigma BF is a high-performance mirrorless camera designed for professional photographers and videographers. It features a full-frame 24.6 megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with rich details and vibrant colors. The camera supports 4K UHD video recording at 30 frames per second and full HD at 60 frames per second, making it suitable for both photography and videography. Its dual-base ISO technology ensures low noise levels in low-light conditions, perfect for night photography or indoor shoots. The Sigma BF has a robust autofocus system with 49 focus points, ensuring sharp and accurate focus. It also includes a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder for precise framing. The camera's durable magnesium alloy body is weather-sealed, making it resistant to dust and moisture. With dual SD card slots and a long battery life, the Sigma BF is ideal for extended shooting sessions. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, this camera delivers outstanding performance. The Sigma BF is priced at approximately $1,999. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix S1RII. The Panasonic Lumix S1RII is a flagship mirrorless camera designed for professionals who demand the highest image quality. It features a 47.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering stunningly detailed photos and 6K video recording capabilities. The camera's Venus engine processor ensures fast performance and excellent color reproduction. It supports 4K video at 60 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second, with advanced image stabilization for smooth footage. The Lumix S1 RII has a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen for easy composition. Its autofocus system includes depth-from-focus technology, ensuring fast and accurate focusing. The camera's rugged design is weather-sealed, making it suitable for outdoor use in challenging conditions. With dual SD card slots and a long-lasting battery, the Lumix S1 RII is perfect for weddings, studio work, or travel photography. It also supports USB charging and Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless file transfers. The Panasonic Lumix S1 RII is priced at around $3,699. Number 1. Canon PowerShot V1. The Canon PowerShot V1 is a versatile compact camera designed for both photography and videography enthusiasts. It features a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, delivering high-quality images and 4K video at 30 frames per second. The camera has a 15x optical zoom lens, providing flexibility for capturing wide-angle shots or distant subjects. Its DJI 8 image processor ensures fast performance and excellent low-light capabilities. The PowerShot V1 includes a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, making it easy to frame shots from any angle. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity with smartphones. The camera's hybrid auto mode automatically creates highlight reels of your photos and videos, perfect for sharing on social media. With features like time-lapse movie and advanced IS, the PowerShot V1 is ideal for travel, family events, or creative projects. Its compact design and lightweight body make it easy to carry around. The Canon PowerShot V1 is priced at approximately $799.